smooth as possible. Make sure those driving lines are as perfect as you can remember, and then just let that speed build. It's all about rolling speed through the corner. It doesn't matter how deep and heavy you can brake, it's all about how quickly you can roll through the corners. Make sure you're looking plenty far ahead, you're smooth on those brakes, and those laps are nice and perfect, nice and polished. That's where the fast time really comes from.
Don't want that.
You guys ready for this? All right, good luck and have fun. Brakes on, visors down.
I don't even know if this
So
camera's
here's a